So I'm gluing down the cork. I've got some bricks holding it down, but I just want to show you one more thing about these points. Is on the back here, you can see I have soldered some jumpers across the rails. So that way I'm not relying now on the point switch to send the current. This section here will be constantly live all the time now, which will make this far more reliable. Alright, so a little update what's happening. I've glued the cork down and there's now PVA glued down to the board. So I thought I'd set this track up once more and just do one more test with this train to make sure it wasn't stalling, and it's still stalled over both these frogs. So I've checked very closely with the wheels and where it crossed the frog, and it is definitely not shorting out now across there, so something else must be wrong. So I decided to open up the loco and I had a look inside to make sure all the wiring was okay, and what came apparent is at the back of the decoder one of the plugs had come out, so the rear wheels here weren't picking up any track power at all. It was only running off the front ones. So now that both sets of trucks are picking up power from the track, it now faultlessly goes back and forth with no problems at all. Which makes me wonder then if I actually had to do this at all, and if I knew that problem from the start, it may have just worked. And anyway, so it's all full steam ahead, and here we go. Okay, so I've got the tortoise machines now and the NCE switch it. So we'll just go ahead now and put the track down permanently onto the cork, and actually before I do that I'll be marking the throw bar positions and mounting the tortoise switch machines.